as we're passing through the trees to watch the sunset down at this beautiful, beautiful lake. Sorry, beautiful river. We are on the Carbon River here, watching the sunset. My family is over here and they've already seen the sunset from where they're at. Hi, family! You guys have already seen the sunset, right? I'm just still watching it. I'm just letting you know that I'll be sharing the experience later. Good times to be had with all. I'll watch the sunset real quick. I walk down to watch the sunset and I go back up and watch the sunset. I'm gonna watch it twice. Here we go. Oh yes. Maybe 3 times. Here we go. Now for the final one. What a beautiful sun. It'll be back tomorrow for another round. Pink. See you soon.